Hi, I'm Ben McSheffrey and I'm the Technical Training Manager for Symmons Industries. I'm back again to show you the optional 4-inch center set base plate that comes with the Origins faucet and to give you a quick demo on how to install it. All you'll need to install this base plate is a Phillips-head screwdriver and an adjustable wrench or basin wrench. Let's get started. The base plate consists of the chrome plate, 2 stainless steel mounting studs, and 2 plastic mounting nuts. First, remove the brass insert from the chrome plate. This bushing is used for other faucets, and it just pops out by pushing your thumbs up from the bottom. Then, flip the base plate over and hand thread the blue ends of the mounting studs into the tappings on the bottom of the plate. The blue coating on the threads is a thread sealant that prevents the studs from loosening. Tighten the studs into the base plate using a Phillips-head screwdriver. Once the studs are tight, put the deck plate in place and screw the plastic nuts onto the studs from under the deck. Just hand tighten nuts for now. From above the deck, position the deck plate so it is aligned properly, then tighten it down evenly with your fingers. Now that the base plate is secured, insert the Origins sensor faucet by passing the wires and braided supply down through the hole in the base plate. Then, slip the rubber mounting washer over the wires and supply, then the metal washer, and then finally the brass mounting nut. The direction of the nut is important. The hex end of the nut should be on the bottom, facing away from the deck. Now, align the faucet and tighten the nut with an adjustable wrench or basin wrench. Now that the faucet is mounted, complete the installation that was described in the Origins faucet installation video. For more information on how to install this faucet, watch the Symmons Origins S6960B installation video. If you have any questions related to the maintenance of this or any Symmons product, do not hesitate to call our technical support team at 1-800-SYMMONS. On behalf of the entire team at Symmons, thanks and have a great day.